Hello, Barry Anderson for Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. We got a great one today. OMI. Okay, so actually this showed up on the AI a couple of times, but the first time at 1807 and at the time was 940, and then a second time 1748. It also showed up on one of my 10-day daily breakdown scans. This is a company that has earnings coming up, but they've guided poorly, so they're sort of preparing the market. It's not going to be good. Look at this short, guys. I mean, this even at the 18 mark, it got all the way down to 1553. So this was just tremendous. What really got me interested, though, when you look at the daily chart, I know it's a little hard to see, but the next low looking left was way down here at 1360 or so, and that's what I'm all about. If I see a chart that looks like this, it's gapped down, and I don't see a lot of support for several dollars away, I usually will hop on a trade like this. So that is exactly what made the trade great for me. So I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.